As we move through the preserve, we ask that you please remain seated with your arms and legs inside the train at all times. If you have any food or drinks, please make sure they are secure, as the train has a tendency to spill them. We also ask that you do not try to touch, pet, feed, or interact with any of the animals, no matter how close to the train they might be. And if you happen to lose an item, do not try to retrieve it. Let me know when we get back to the station, and we will work to retrieve that item for you as quickly as possible. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I hope you enjoy the ride. As we enter, if you look to your right, you'll see our Thompson gazelles. They are the most common species of gazelle. Both male and females will grow horns. They can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour. Over to the left, you'll see our Indian rhino Samad. As you can see, he loves to be in the water. The Indian rhino is the only rhino that will fully submerge themselves underwater. He also has the ability to weigh up to 5,000 pounds, and he is a solitary animal.
Right there, Sam, laying in the water, drinking water.
Next up on the left, we have our pygmy hippos. First one being right here to the left on this little turn. Got the second one all the way on the other end. We do have a male and female. They are semi-aquatic, spending most of the day in or underwater, coming out at night to feed. They'll reach maturity just after 3 years. These two are fully mature. This is as big as they will get, reaching weights between 350 to 500 pounds. Second one is right up here.
Oh, there they are. No, they never go to bed. Oh, really?
And on either side of the train, you'll see a large gray bird or two. These are called rhea. They are the 4th largest land bird, running at speeds of 35 miles per hour. Also have the ability to swim. On the right is the greater kudu, 2nd largest of the antelopes, and with a leaping ability of 8 feet, they can jump right over this train if they wanted to. Next up on the right, we have Orangutan Island, where it looks like we have the females out today. Females are the ones that form small family groups, while the males are largely solitary. They are the largest known tree-dwelling animal. Over to the left, you'll see our southern white rhinos. They are the most social of the rhinos. We do have 3 females and 1 male. They can reach weights of 5,000 pounds as well, and their horns are made of the same material that make up our own hair and fingernails. Amongst the trees are the axis deer, well, on the left, the far back left. They've been introduced to many countries all over the world, including America. And on the right, all those lightly tan animals are the black buck. They get their name from the dominant males getting a darker coat. Couple more rhea. Next up on the left, we have our Nile River hippos, both in the water of their small yard. We do have a male Caboclo and a female Cleopatra. They'll reach weights of 3,000 pounds. Move through the water by either walking or bouncing off the riverbed, not actually swimming. And their skin will screen oil and acts as sunscreen. Next up on the right, we have our western lowland gorillas. Female silverback Rwanda next to the tree. Male silverback babuka under the platform. And their son Kigali on the hill. The term silverback refers to the age of the animal. Largely herbivores, they are known to eat ants and termite larvae. The water around the island is a natural barrier, as gorillas are unable to swim or float. Next up on the right, well, if you look towards the center of the preserve, you'll see our female ostrich. And at the pavilion, the large dark brown animals are the sable antelope, and the large gray one is the white-bearded wildebeest. As we exit, we have dromedary camels. They make up most of the camel population, and the single hump on their back is a fat reserve. They also sport 2 sets of eyelashes, are able to close their nostrils in order to protect themselves in sandstorms.
No, he just laying down in the sand, honey. Yeah. He's just taking a rest.
As we return to the station, we ask that you please remain seated until the train comes to a full stop. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your visit.